Power is delivered through a smooth 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in a lovely metallic blue. Towards the front of the vehicle, we'll find a body-coloured front styling kit with a centre aerofoil. This includes some gloss black radiator grills. The vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch alloy wheels which come in a metallic finish and a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the hatchback, we'll find a rear roof spoiler along with a heated rear window. Dotted along the rear bumper is also a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area, we'll find a large amount of storage space. For the rear passengers to enjoy, there is a 3-seater bench finished in a black upholstery with some red contrast stitching. Up in the driver's cab area, we'll find some more of that comfortable cloth upholstery seating with red contrast stitching. In the centre console, we'll also have an armrest for the front passenger and the driver to use. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes navigation as well as allowing you to access all your favourite DAB radio stations as well as having Bluetooth connectivity. Beneath this, we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle, and in the centre console we'll also find a few cup holders. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.